All right, guys, so I wanted to do a quick hack on mixing music in Adobe Premiere in 1 minute. So here we go. So let's go back to the Assembly tab, go to File, hit Import. You could just drag it in if you want to from the desktop or whatever. I wanted to import it. All right, so once you get that imported, drag it to a track. And I can already tell by looking at it, see the waveform look like a block, it's too loud. So I'll play it for you. All right, that's way too loud. So what I want to do is come over here to the audio tab, use this preset. All right, so hit music. Default preset is balance background music. And then what I like to do on my own is to like bring it down a notch. So maybe -6 roughly, give or take. It's totally up to your taste, but let's give it a play.
Oh. Okay, so I could just be
Doesn't
Ohavia,
sound
right?
bad at all. All right, wasn't too loud and it wasn't in the way. That's the goal. Listen, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit that bell, drop a comment below, and let me know if it helped you any. I got some more content coming. What we'll do next is I'll teach you a couple of simple transitions in Adobe in a minute, and talk to you guys later. Peace.